single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to compare the two phones from Xiaomi. The one is Redmi Note 6 Pro and the another one is Redmi 6 Pro. So I have both the phones in my hand and both have the same configuration, 4GB 64GB variant. Both are 4GB 64GB variant. This one comes with 625 Snapdragon and this one comes with Snapdragon 636. So talking about physical comparison of both these phones, so both the phones have got notch in them, as you can see over here, but the notch for the Redmi Note 6 Pro is a bit bigger than what is there for the Redmi 6 Pro. Apart from that, it has got dual camera setup at the front and this one has got the single camera. So definitely Redmi Note 6 Pro leads as far as the selfie portrait camera is concerned. And talking about the rear camera, both the cameras are almost similar and the features are almost same. So there is not much difference if we look the phone from the back hand side, because both have got the fingerprint reader, this one red Xiaomi branding and the dual camera setup with dual LED flash. Apart from that, if I talk about the MIUI, so both have got the MIUI 10 update. So now let's jump straight to the settings and let's see the about phone. So about phone, there is not much difference. Both have got MIUI 10. I have already updated this phone to MIUI 10, while I have not updated yet the Redmi Note 6 Pro as I have received it recently. So as you can see, both are having 4GB and lot of things are same for both the things, but still performance wise Snapdragon 636 is better than this one. And comment down below if you want to have a speed test between these two phones. If I get a lot of comments, I'll try to make the speed test for both this phone. Apart from that, both the phones have the hybrid SIM slot and both of them do have micro USB port, and both of them have got the IR blaster. So this is something good which Xiaomi usually does. It provides the IR blaster so that you can use this for the remote control. Apart from that, if you see, there is not much difference in this phone. Definitely Xiaomi Note 6 Pro is better, but again, if I talk about the pricing point, so this one is priced at roughly around 16,000 while this one is for 13,500. So this is all the comparison and the physical overview and the differences which are there. Screen wise also, this one is 6.26 inch and while this one is 5.86 inches. Both the aspect ratio of both the phones is 19:9, so this is something good. So apart from that, both the displays are full HD display. So this is just a generic comparison between these two phones. Both the fingerprint reader are fast enough, and yeah, this is all about both the phones. So hope you guys like this small video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our phone for all the technological updates, and do comment as mentioned before that if you want to have a speed test between these phones, I'll surely try to make that. And thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next one.